Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be non-phone data entry, and it requires no experience. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. We have talked about Conduent on this channel before. They very often hire for different positions with no experience needed, and they are hiring again right now for their data entry position. Now, one thing to note when it comes to no experience jobs, they are going to pay lower on the pay scale, but this is perfect to get that experience to put on your resume to then be able to qualify for a higher paying position. They are looking for somebody to work a second shift, Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m., and it says you must work weekends and holidays if needed. You need to be able to type at least 40 words per minute, and they're paying $14.50 an hour, plus they offer benefits. But this is a basic data entry job. You'll receive, process, and ensure document classifications are completed and transmitted to clients. You'll receive documents for both electronic and hard copy for processing. You'll sort image, documents, files, and archive them in the system by form type. You'll identify documents for their purpose, creating a database of information. Of course, you'll classify these documents based on contract requirements and client requirements. You'll verify the data from the automated data extraction tools, and you'll ensure transmission of processed data to the appropriate next level. So you may enter the data into the system, verify that it is correct, and then route it to another department to handle. Now, most of this is non-phone, but it says you may be required occasionally to pick up the phone and make outbound calls. I'm assuming phone. It says outbound correspondence from the clients to be processed. So if you're missing information, you have to go find that information. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they do say this is an entry-level position with limited requirements. They need somebody who can basically follow the established procedures, who can organize data, so you have to have coordination skills, someone who has basic skills in computer systems, someone who has the ability to problem solve self-guided, and somebody who can work together as a team to help achieve company goals. That is really it. They're not requiring any kind of college degree and no real experience with past data entry. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you have any suggestions on how I can make these videos more helpful for you, things I could change and do differently, let me know down below. I try to make them as very quick and convenient by getting straight into the job lead as I can and leaving the link down in the YouTube description box. But if you have any suggestions on anything else I could change, let me know down below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.